हेलो मेरे राइजिंग जनरेशन। तो आज हम लोग क्या सीखेंगे बोलो। आज जो टॉपिक मैं लाई हूँ वो है सर्कल। तो ये सर्कल के बारे में हम लोग क्लास नर्सरी से सीखते हैं। सो देयर व्हाट डू वी लर्न द बेसिक शेप्स. So one of them is circle, which is very very important. As you reach class 4, they start that in your geometry portion. So let me start with the base. So this is a circle. Okay. So this is a circle, and this, the whole boundary of this is called as your circumference. The center, this is the center of the circle. So this is center. Circumference can also be termed as the perimeter. Perimeter of the circle. Okay. Now any line which starts from one side, crosses through the center, and then again touches here, that is called your diameter. Half of the diameter is called as your radius. Now this portion is also your radius. A circle can have many radius. This is a radius, this is a radius, this is a radius, all are radius. And the measurement of all the radius of that circle will be the same. Now any line which starts from here and ends here but does not pass through the center of the circle is called your chord. Okay, your chord could be this also. See, it's very near, very close to your diameter, but it is not touching the center. Hence, that is also your chord. This could also be your chord. Okay, so this is the basic thing about your circle. So let me start with the next portion. So as we know, everything needs area. A circle will also have an area. Area बोले तो ये जो surface है इसका area क्या है? तो how do we remember the formula? Area of a circle. Circle can also be denoted as this. Suppose you are practicing, that time you can use this for denoting circle. Area of a circle is pi r square. R बोले तो radius, means this one. What is the value of pi? Pi is equal to 22/7. ठीक है. अब अगर मैं बोलूं what is the perimeter of the circle? Perimeter means circumference, as I told you. So circumference or perimeter, PMT लिख रही हूं, is equal to 2 pi r. अब कोई क्वेश्चन पे हो सकता है they give you only the diameter, तो वहां पे क्या करोगे? It is, or you will use this formula pi d. ठीक है. चलो नेक्स्ट. इतनी देर जो हम लोग कर रहे थे वो था बेसिक, विच वी नीड माइट बी टिल अप टू द लेवल ऑफ क्लास 7 और क्लास 8. अब चलो लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स क्लास 9, 10. सो लेट्स लर्न अबाउट टेंजेंट्स. सो एनी लाइन which touches the circle outside at one point, एक ही point पे they touch, okay, that line is called your tangent. ठीक है. अब ये भी एक tangent हो सकता है. ठीक है. accurate नहीं हुआ. okay, anyways, और इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम अ सिंगल पॉइंट से P, ठीक है, और ये रहा A एंड दिस इज B। तो क्या होगा, यहाँ पे अगर PA का मेजरमेंट है 5 सेंटीमीटर तो PB का मेजरमेंट भी 5 सेंटीमीटर होगा। द रीजन इज द टेंजेंट्स फ्रॉम द सेम एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट is always equal. The tangents which touches a circle from one external point, single external point, that is P here, will always be equal. ठीक है ना? So PA is equal to PB. The reason is since tangents from the same external point P, ठीक है? So let's again move towards the next portion. अब मान लो कि यहाँ पे एक टेंजेंट है and this is your radius, ठीक है? And in the question they have given us that the length, say let the center be O and this point be A and this length they have given us, ठीक है, this is B. So this portion OA is perpendicular to AB, so this part is 90 degree. And what figure does it make? It is making a right angle triangle. When they give you the measurement of any two side, will you be able to find out the third side? Yes, it is easy. We can use the Pythagoras theorem here and get the third side. Okay? Chalo, next. So all this time we were doing those important topics which we do till class 9, and few topics from here which I did at last is included for class 10 also. So the basic for class 10 there is a chapter areas related to circles. So I would like to start something from there and continue the rest in my next video. So let's start. So तो पहले मैं ये बोलूंगी कि this particular thing is based on pizza. So all the pizza lovers will really know about what I mean. अब देखो, suppose this is your pizza, ठीक है, and when they cut it in this way, ठीक है. So this is the shape. So this shape, this particular shape is called your sector. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे मैं बनाती हूँ सर्कल, सेंटर, और ये रहा सेक्टर. How do we find out the area of a sector? याद करो वो फॉर्मूला. एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल क्या था? पाई आर स्क्वायर, ठीक है. और ये पूरा गोल का मेजरमेंट कितना होता है? 360 डिग्री. और ये पर्टिकुलर जो एंगल है जो हमें नहीं पता उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे थीटा, ठीक है. तो एरिया ऑफ अ सेक्टर इज इक्वल टू थीटा बाई 360 into pi r square, ठीक है. अब ये रहा the little portion of the whole circle, तो ये बन जाएगा हमारा minor sector. जो बाकी रह गया उसको बोलेंगे major sector, ठीक है ना. ओके So let's go to the next portion again. Segments. ये जो पार्ट है, ये एरिया, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं सेगमेंट. ये छोटा पोर्शन है तो इसीलिए माइनर सेगमेंट. द रिमेनिंग विल बी योर मेजर सेगमेंट. अच्छा, और एक चीज मैं भूल गई थी. अब देखो, ये जो पोर्शन है, आई मीन द सर्कमफ्रेंस और द पेरीमीटर, इसका कोई भी एक पोर्शन, मान लो इधर से लेकर इधर तक, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? आर्क. ठीक है. तो हाउ डू वी फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ एन आर्क? इट विल बी थीटा by 360 into 2 pi r. ठीक है. लेंथ ऑफ एन आर्क. So in this video I would like to conclude here, and the class 10 people, you wait for my next video from this chapter, areas related to circle, which I will be uploading very soon. Bye bye बच्चों.